Tenacity, an innovative and cost-effective crew transfer vessel that will set the standard. The moment you step into the wheelhouse, it is clear that this vessel is going to surprise. The helm seat being positioned and articulated such that the vessel can be controlled equally well with total visibility, whether leading with the bow or the stern, is an appetizer for what will follow. 12 passengers can be seated in complete comfort with galley and head facilities. At 24 metres in length and with a speed capability of 40 knots, the design ensures a uniquely smooth ride with impressive fuel consumption below 380 litres per hour, even at these high speeds. Operating the vessel at high speed is as stress-free an experience for the crew as it is for the passengers. The inherent stability of the vessel is achieved by combining proven technologies and is complemented by using a gyro stabilizer to remarkable effect, as is clearly illustrated. The stern approach of the vessel gives far greater control of the transfer platform and therefore a safer environment to transfer personnel to and from the turbine or other offshore assets. The vessel is quick and easy to maneuver into position. By using the stern transfer system, even without the stabilizer engaged, as shown here, the lack of heave is a significant benefit of this solution. Again, even with the stabilizer disengaged and not pinned to the turbine, deck movement is minimal. Holding position at minimum engine speed is a simple and efficient operation. With the stabilizer on, this performance is even more impressive. In sea states in excess of 1 metre and at 40 knots, passengers can enjoy a hot drink in complete safety and comfort. The proof of concept demonstration vessel, Tenacity, offers tangible benefits to the CTV operations in terms of safety, speed of transfer and fuel efficiencies. The design is flexible and can be adapted to meet customer-specific requirements. To set a new standard for your crew transfer operations, contact the Wave Access team. Tenacity, the wave access solution designed to work.